Welcome to Ask and Learn.
In this problem, we are asked to use Euler's method with a step size of 0.2 to estimate y when x is equal to 1, where y is the solution of the initial value problem that is described in our formula. In our formula for y prime, and our initial value of y at x is equal to 0. So, looking at our given equation for Euler's method, displayed here, what we see is that y at x is equal to 1 is going to be equal to our initial value y0 plus our step size, which we have as h is equal to 0.2. So we add 0.2 multiplied by our big F at our initial values x0, y0, which our big F is just the same thing as saying the derivative of y defined at x0, y0. And we are really only concerned with y1, as that is the only thing we're asked to estimate in this problem. So the next thing we can do here is evaluate our given derivative y prime, which is described in Euler's method as big F, at our initial values x0, y0, which is just given as as the derivative at x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. And so evaluating, we can see that the first term just cancels out because it is 0, and the second term is just going to equate to negative 1/2, as our y is only equal to 1. And so we now have all the information that we need in order to estimate y at x is equal to 1, which is going to be equal to our initial value of y, 1, added to our step size multiplied by our derivative calculated at x0 and y0, which gives negative 1/2. And so, evaluating, we find that our estimate with using Euler's method for y at x equal to 1 is going to be 0.9.